it's me, Hunter, again, and as you know, today's my Friday vid. And if you do not know what day it is by the title, then you are legally known as a dumbass. So, like Tyler said, it's Friday! Woo-hoo! And it is very windy out here. I don't know why I'm making it out here, because I'm freezing my ass off, but... Oh, shit, on my head. Okay. What the fuck? Alright. Yeah, I'm making my Friday video. Sorry I couldn't get any video of me at the fair. I really wish I could have, though. I mean, I really wanted to. But my stupid ass phone was dead. So, yeah. I had to leave it on the charge. Because as you know, I do not have a camera. I make my videos on my phone. And if you do not know that, go look at my first video. I think I told you. And if I didn't, well, I'll make videos on my phone. Okay, I'm really cold now. Look, there's my little kitty right there. He's cold too. Huh, Jeremiah? You cold, huh? Yeah, we all cold. It's freezing out here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make them a little cat bed. I do it recorded, but I don't have no one hold the camera for me. And in this cold, holding the camera while making a bed for them is gonna take too long, and I cannot stand that. And they are real cold, and I'm gonna have to do that. So yeah, let me just sit here and freeze my ass off while I make a video for y'all. So yeah, here's the update for today. I had 2 projects due, and I turned them in. I think I did pretty good on them, if I say so myself. Yeah, I had a test Tuesday. Aced that. Well, I didn't ace it, but I probably at least got a C on it. I'll info y'all guys that next video if I get it back. My buddy Luke, who moved here in 5th grade, which is 2 years ago, he's moving today. Well, not today, but tomorrow. So yeah, I didn't even get to say goodbye to that bastard. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update. Let me think. Oh no, at the fair, my brother's friend thought it'd be funny if he went up to the girl I like, Victoria, and asked her out for me. So yeah, I'm known as a pussy through my whole school because I couldn't ask out a girl. I had to get a 5th grader to do it when I told him not to. So yeah. God damn him. So yeah. Now I think that's all the updates for the week. Yeah. You know what? If you guys really want me to, you know what? Fuck, I'm not even gonna ask you. I'm just gonna make a video. But I can only do it for up to 15 minutes. So let me see how long I've been running for. 3. Well, we better get started. Move that out of the way. Get all the water out. Bring this in the house because I cannot do this outside. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera the best way I can. Charge the door, cat. Oh yeah, I have my bottle of water out there. Sorry, I'm freezing by the time I get back. I'm cold.
Where?
Outside and in here.
What is that song doing here?
I'm making a bed for the kitties.
No.
What? They need a bed.
No. Outside. Let's get outside.
What? I'm gonna bring it outside, but I need to make it in here. It's cold.
No. They gotta keep warm.
Wow.
Boy. I'll beat your ass.
Got it? Oh, move, cat. I didn't walk on him. 5 minutes. Damn. Let me pick you up. The show. Oh, yeah. Look at the camera, Jeremiah. This is Jeremiah. How you going? Okay, jump down. This is a big one. I don't know his name. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I'm showing the kitties to my viewers.
Get it on right there.
No,
That's where you get it on.
not one right there.
You need to be safe.
No, I love them all. Even the ones that don't like me, I love them. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this video as soon as I'm done feeding this stupid thing. So, yeah. Remember, and this is gonna be my new catchphrase. Okay, so remember it. Rate, comment, subscribe. I mean it.